Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question, that is a GATE CSE 2003 question 21. Okay, yes. So the question is, consider the following graph, okay, among the following sequences. So they give 4 different sequences, and the question asked here is, what are the depth first search traversals? So before going through this question, you should have a clear idea about a depth first search. So what is a depth first search, guys? So you will go inside. So if you start from A, okay, so you started from A, you went to B, from B you went to E, from E you went to G, from G you went to H, from H you went to F. So basically from start you traversed each and every node, right? Yes. So you are going in depth only. So basically you are going one inside, other inside, other inside, other inside, other. So this is a valid depth first search, guys. You will understand. If you don't have any idea about depth first search, you will understand as we go through 4 examples, guys. So don't worry, okay? Yes. So let us go to the second example. Okay. So from A you went to B. From B you went to F. So A, B, F. Okay. After F you came to E. So is there any direct path to E, guys? No. Then how did you go, guys? So let me draw it for now. Okay. So A, B, where is the C? C is not there. H, F, G, E. Okay. Okay, so it's in this way. Okay, yes. So you will start at A. So you can draw the diagrams for rest also. It's your wish. So A. Okay. From A to B. From B you went to F. Okay. So from F you came to E, but there is no direct path for E, right? Hence this option is absolutely wrong. So whatever is having 2, those options are wrong, guys. So basically we eliminated 2 options with that. Okay. Yes. So moving on to option 3. Option 3, you started at A, you went to B. From B, you went to F. From F, you went to H. From H, you went to G. From G, you went to E. So you traversed in depth, like all combinations you have covered from each and every node, right? Yes. So that is nothing but correct for path for depth first search. Okay. Similarly, for the last one, A to B. Okay, sorry, A to F. Okay. F to G. Okay. G to H. Okay, H to B, okay, B to E. Okay, so this is also a valid depth first search, right? So hence you can say that option D is the correct answer. It's a simple depth first search, guys. So if you are not getting the idea like about depth first search, please watch the lecture about it, guys. So we have discussed it in the course section. Okay, so please watch it. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea that how D is the correct answer. Like 2, 3, 4 are valid. Okay, yes. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.